Hi students, the last class you have seen how to solve the simultaneous linear equations by matrix inversion method. Now here also we can see the another application. See the example 1.24 given in the page number 32 of the exercise 1.3. In our material it is problem number 44. Now for this matrix A and B, we have to find the product AB and BA, and hence we need to solve these three equations. In the previous problem only these equations were given, we solved them directly by using matrix inversion method. But here you cannot solve these equations directly. Before that, first you have to find AB and BA. Through this product only we have to solve these three equations. Now let us see how to solve these things. First one, let us find AB and BA. Now we can find the product AB. AB means you have to multiply these two, minus 4, 4, 4, then minus 7, 1, 3, then 5, minus 3, minus 1, A. Next you can take B. 1, minus 1, 1, then 1, minus 2, minus 2, then 2, 1, 3. Now, again you can go for row by column method. See, row by column method is first you can multiply these two, minus 4, then plus 4, then plus 4 2s are 8. Again, row by column, minus 4 into minus 1 equal to 4, then minus 8, then plus 4. Now next we can go here. This and this, minus 4, then minus 8, then plus 12. Then we can go this one, second row first column, minus 7, plus 1, plus 6. Then second row second column, plus 7, minus 2, then plus 3. The next second row third column, minus 7, then minus 2, then plus 9. Third row first column, 5, minus 3, minus 2. Then here minus 5, plus 6, minus 1, then 5, plus 6, then minus 3. Now if you take this one, you can get minus 4 plus minus 7, you can get 8, then this is 0, that also 0, then this is 0, this 10 minus 2 8, this is 0, then this also 0, then here also 0, this also 11 minus 3 8. You can see. Now which is equal to, we can say 8 times I3. Therefore product AB is equal to 8 times I3. Likewise, you can find a product BA. First you can write B matrix, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 2, then 2, 1, 3. This is B matrix. Then you write A matrix, minus 4, 4, 4, minus 4, 4, 4, then minus 7, 1, 3, then 5, minus 3, minus 1. We can go for row by column multiplication. This first row, minus 4, then plus 7, then plus 5, then 4, minus 1, minus 3, then 4, minus 3, minus 1. Then go for second row first column, minus 4, then plus 14, then minus 10. Then here second row second column, 4, then minus 2, then plus 2 3s are 6, then 4, minus 6, then plus 2. Then go for third row first column, minus 8, minus 7, then plus 15. Then third row, second column, 2 fours are 8 plus 1 minus 9. Then 2 fours are 8, then plus 3 minus 3. Now which is equal to, this is 12 minus 4, 8. Then this is 0, 0, again 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 8. Now which is equal to 8 times I3, that is BA. So also 8 times I3. Now see here, from this equations, this you can take it as equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we can say AB equal to BA, AB equal to BA is equal to 8 times I3, 8 times I3. Now here AB equal to BA equal to 8 times I3 means just to take this 8 this side or divide load by 8, then we will be getting 1 by divide load by 8, divide by 8 on both sides, then you will be getting 1 by 8 A into B is equal to B into 1 by 8 into A is equal to I3. Now write these things within a bracket. Now see here, this is in the form of AB equal to BA equal to I3 means now we can say this can be taken as inverse of A. Inverse of A now. Therefore, now we have taken this one, that is B into 1 by 8 into A is equal to 1 by 8 into A into B is equal to I3. Now this is of the form A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to I. Therefore we can say in the place of A inverse we have 1 by 8 into A. Now this is B. This inverse of B is 1 by 8A. That is, this in the form of B into B inverse is equal to B inverse into B equal to I3. Now this is like A into A inverse equal to A inverse into B equal to I3. Hence in the place of B inverse we have this one. Therefore this implies B inverse is equal to 1 by 8 times A. B inverse equal to 1 by 8 times A. Now how do you find this one is B inverse is equal to? That is 1 by 8 into the matrix A. What's the matrix A? Minus 4, 4, 4, then minus 7, 1, 3, then 5, minus 3, minus 1. Now this is the value of B inverse. Now after finding this B inverse, now let us consider these three equations. Now we have to solve these equations. The given equations x minus y plus z equal to 4, we can write it. Given equations are given x minus y plus z is equal to 4, then x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9. Then we can write 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. Now these equations we need not write, for our convenience I have written here. Now first of all, I want to solve means these equations must be written in matrix form. That is matrix equation. The matrix equation is you can write this as 1 minus 1 1, then 1 minus 2 minus 2, then 2 1 3. This into the variable matrix x y z which is equal to the constant matrix. You can write 4, 9, then 1. 4, 9, 1. Yes, now we have written the matrix equation. This matrix equation of the form this matrix equation of the form. This matrix 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2. This is nothing but matrix B. Therefore, this one can be taken as matrix B. That is B. This is variables matrix. You can take it as X. We can name this constant matrix as what is C. Bx equal to C form. This is the form Ax equal to B. If it is like this, you want to find the X limits, you have to eliminate B means you try to P multiply by B inverse. While multiply, you can get X is equal to B inverse C. If Ax equal to C means X equal to A inverse C. Pi plus X equal to B inverse. Because we have P multiply by B inverse to eliminate this P. So we got X equal to B inverse C. Now X here you can say X, Y, Z. This is X matrix, which is equal to B inverse is here 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into A matrix minus 4, 4, 4, then minus 7, 1, 3, then 5, minus 3, minus 1 into the C matrix is nothing but here is constant, that is 4, 9, 1. 4, 9, 1. Now, just you keep this 1 by 8 as it is. Then as usually multiply this row by column, minus 16, then plus 36 plus 4. Then you can go for this one, minus 28 plus 9 plus 3. Then last row, 20 minus 27, then minus 1. Then if you take, you can get 1 by 8 into this one 40 minus 16, 24, then 12. This is 12 minus 28 means 16 minus 16. Then here minus 28 is minus 8. You can get. Now after that we can take this 1 by 8 inside. We can get X, Y, Z is equal to, if we divide by 8 we can get 3 times, then minus 2 times, then minus 1 times. Now this is the solution. Therefore, the solution is, can write X is equal to 3. Now this solution can be written as X comma Y comma Z, which is equal to 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. You can write this, or you can write separately X equal to 3 comma Y equal to minus 2, then Z is equal to minus 1. You can express either this way or this way. Any one of these two methods you can follow. Second problem, page number 33. Second problem, page number 33 in the exercise 1.3. In the exercise 1.3, it is second problem given at the page number 33. In our material is problem number 45. The same way you can follow. Okay? Yes. Now, let us see the next one. Now, let us see problem number 3 given in the page number 36. In our material is problem number 46. Now, listen the problem carefully. I read out. A man in a job with a monthly salary of a certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. If his salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service and rupees 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of service. Find his salary and his annual increment The condition given here, use matrix inversion method to solve the problem. Here, these type of problems already we have done in 10th standard. Now, we can solve this by using a matrix inversion method. Here, a man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of a certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. Here we don't know what is his salary and what is the annual increment. For that, by data, before that you can take let monthly salary be rupees X, and we can take the annual increment be rupees Y, because only these two are unknowns. Okay, with the help of these two variables, we can form the equations based on the given data. See here, the first statement is his salary was rupees 19,800. By data, we can say, his salary is rupees 19,800 when means per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service. 3 years of service means he will be getting 3 times annual increment. Therefore, you can this is 3 times annual increment with his initial salary. That is X plus 3Y equal to 19,800. Likewise, the other data, rupees 23,400, rupees 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of service. Therefore, 9 years of service you are getting 9 times increment with his first month salary. This is X plus 9Y equal to 23,400. Based on the given data, we have formed the linear equations. This is a system, we can say. Now here I have to solve these values X and Y using only by matrix inversion method. Okay, now here, if the condition is given here, you have to use matrix inversion method in the examination. If the condition is not given, you can solve by any of the methods which are going to study in 12th standard. Okay. Now here, with the help of this, first we can write matrix equation. The matrix equation is, you can write the coefficients 1, 3, 1, 9 into variable matrix xy, which is equal to 19,800, then 23,400. Now this is of the form AX equal to B form. This is of the form AX equal to B. From this X equal to A inverse B. X equal to A inverse B. Therefore, we can follow this one here. X means you can write X Y equal to A inverse. That is A inverse. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. We can directly find the A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A. 1 by determinant A means 9 minus 3 gives 6. Then we can go for writing adjoint. Just to interchange the linear elements, 9, 1. Then change the sign of the antidiagonal, minus 3, minus 1 into B matrix. The B matrix is 19,800. The other is 23,400. 23,400. Now, since it is a large quantity, and also these two numbers are divisible by 6, therefore you can take the 6 inside here, then you can get 9 minus 3 minus 1, 1. Then if you divide this by 6, you will be getting 3 9s are 18 balance, again 3 9s are 18, 3,300. Next you divide this by 6 means again 3 times, then 554 means 9 times, we can see. Again, from these two things, again these two are large numbers. You can take here 3 is this also divisible by 300, this also divisible by 300. Therefore, you can take 300 commonly outside. You can take 300 into, you can say 9 minus 3 minus 1, 1. Because without taking 300 outside also, you can multiply. Since it's a large quantity, we can simplify. Now, if you take this one 300 means you can take 11 times. Then this is 39 by 3 means 13 times. Okay, that's all. Now we can multiply 300 into multiply 99, then minus 39, then minus 11 plus 13. Now which is equal to 300 into 90 minus 39 gives 60, then this is 2. When you take this 300 inside, you will be getting 3 6 are 18, you can say 3 zeros. Then this is a 600. Now x, y equal to 600. Now we can say his monthly salary equal to 18,600. His fixed income is so much rupees 600. Therefore, we can say, after writing all these things, we can say the solution is, I can write that the, okay, right here. The solution is, you can say, see monthly salary means x equal to 18,000 rupees, you can say 18,000, and fixed annual increment is y value nothing but 600, you can say. Now likewise we can solve this problem. It's very easiest problem. Likewise we have two more problems that I will tell you how to do in the next class. Till then you practice these problems. Thank you children.